Hello, TypeTrice here. In today's video I'll be showing you how to rotate an image in Photoshop. So let's get right into it. I found an image that I want to rotate, and I can do it in different ways. And I'll show you a few ones you can use and choose the best one for you. I found an image here, and let's turn off the lock just like that. So the first method is that you can go up in Image and choose Image Rotation and choose Flip Canvas Horizontal. And when you press that, the image is now rotated. Another method you can use is pressing the Ctrl and T on your keyboard. What that does is that it selects the whole image, and you can now right click on it and again choose Flip Horizontal. And remember to click on this when you're done. And as you can see, the image is now rotated again. If you want to rotate the artboard instead, you can also do that by going right here and choosing the Rotate View tool. You can find that by pressing the R and the keyboard. And you can now drag the canvas around. If you hold down Shift while you drag around, it's a little more sharp. And you can do it a little more precise. Thank you so much for watching this short video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you learned something new. See you in the next one.